Kusze, kusze, audi body, aula du. Yes, me family, we still busy with the Morocco trip. But today, we decide for take a day trip na ouzoud waterfall. So, me family, una come with we, make we show una around. We just dey go, we need to reach. This journey in far, we not be actually know say this journey na more than 3 hours. We be think say na 1 or 2 hours. After we don't sit down for almost 4 hours, we don't finally reach at the place. This place in final, God, you wonderful, yeah. Me family them, ma give una chance, me una back enjoy what God create.
Original suit is this is Albatar suit, okay? And from this suit, he made all these documents you look here, only with hand, and he is ancestral machine. Can you see it? Okay? And this work is irrigation, from generation to generation. And really we have a chance that we have this person here to translate for us this technique for the future generation. Okay? So thank you.
I know say una ripa enjoy God in hand, okay? We back this side for go near the water. So we go get nice videos them and pictures. sitting there at the place on the water. Remember, far. Now we can find something for it first. Then after that, we will continue with journey. The food will be actually nice. We really enjoy them. We don't weak, so now we don't begin the waka back. We don't begin the waka back from go see the water on the other side. We able to see the rainbow and the journey continue. Yes, me fambulem, this is not the end of the video. Make we show una some pictures them. Una thank you for watching the video. See you next time. Bye.